Today we're checking out the new Blink Outdoor 4 security camera to see how it compares to the Blink Outdoor 3. And we're also going to put the Blink Mini in there as well, just so you can see a difference in camera quality during the day and at night. Normal price for the Blink Outdoor 4 cameras, at least the 2-camera system, is $199. I think it's about $234 with the Mini, but luckily it was 50% off when I got mine. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information because chances are this could be on sale again. The Outdoor 4 comes with 2 AA lithium batteries to give you 2 years of battery life. Obviously where it's located and temperature is going to determine how long the batteries last, but there is no batteries with the Mini. You just plug it into any outlet. One difference is this one's 143 degrees field of view versus only 110 on the Blink Outdoor 3. It also has enhanced motion detection, also has person detection, but that's only available with the Blink subscription plan. It's still 1080p resolution just like the 3rd gen, and it has two-way audio, also works with Alexa. The Blink Mini is also 1080p resolution and 110 degree field of view as the 3rd gen outdoor camera as well. I wasn't sure, but it does look like this comes with the Sync Module 2. I've already got the Sync Module 2 on my Outdoor 3 cameras, so I'm not sure if I'll need this one. One thing to keep in mind, the Sync 2 module supports up to 10 cameras, so if you're going to have more than that, you'll need to use a different Sync Module 2 for the rest of the cameras. They do give you some instructions here, but really it's just a matter of downloading the Blink app. It's pretty much a step-by-step process once you download the Blink app. So for each camera, you've got a mount, a tool to take off the back screw that holds everything together, 2 Energizer Ultimate lithium batteries, which is nice to see. I actually saw a video comparing battery life on different lithium batteries, and Energizer was right at the top. Looks like 2 mounting screws here inside of a paper package. You got a USB-C port here on the back covered up by a silicone plug, but I believe that's just for service. I've never really used it considering you just put the batteries on the inside. It would be nice if you could use that port to make this a wired connection versus batteries, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work that way. It's actually easier just to use a screwdriver to take the back off. Looks like it also has a silicone seal that goes around the camera, where I don't believe you have that on the Outdoor 3. Looks like you've got the speaker out there on the side of the camera. Nice thing about the design of this camera, because it's flat on all edges, you could really just stick this right onto something without even using the mount. You've got the USB port there on the side where you'll plug in your USB flash drive. It may work with external drives as well. I've been using a USB stick without any problems. Then you've also got your quick start guide, your USB wall adapter, and a micro USB to USB-A cable, sort of dated but still gets the job done, which is for the Sync Module 2. The Blink Mini I've got here was bundled with the Blink Outdoor 4 cameras. As you can see, it is already mounted to a base on here. Rotates pretty much in any direction. It has a magnet there in the bottom, which could come in handy. The base actually just pops right off here on the bottom, and then you can either use a different mount, or because it's flat on the edges, you could actually sit this on a shelf or any flat surface, and it's going to work just fine. You can see the speaker is there on the top as well. Here's a quick size comparison between the 4, the Outdoor 3, and the Mini. You can also see the difference in thickness here between the 3 and the 4. The Mini is definitely the thickest out of the 3. Only thing I'm not sure about on the 4 is they make the camera stick out a little bit further. You've also got the speaker over here on the side on the 4 where you don't have that on the 3. They also move the camera placement from in the center to up in the corner. I don't know, to me, I'm not sure about the camera sticking out so far now. I feel like it was a little more protected on this one, especially if the camera would drop or get knocked down. Then you got the sensor up here above the camera on the 3. On the 4, I think it's down here more. Just a quick comparison on the weight difference between these 3. 136 grams for the Outdoor 3 camera, and that's with the batteries in it. 140 grams for the Outdoor 4. Only 46 grams for the Blink Mini. Interesting thing is, looks like the Outdoor 3 can use the same mounts as the Outdoor 4. Just to give you a rough idea of what the video quality is like, I went ahead and set these up right next to each other, so the angles might be slightly off, but as you can see, the Outdoor 4 shows quite a bit more than the other two cameras, thanks to the larger field of view. The Mini and the Outdoor 3 are very similar as far as field of view, and the quality is almost identical in daylight and at night. They even seem to be almost identical as far as when I get the alerts. For some reason, only the Mini seemed to give me a preview in my notifications, but that's probably going to be different depending on which phone you have. Now, even though the Outdoor 4 field of view is quite a bit larger, you're also going to notice it distorts things a little bit more, especially towards the edges, as you can see with how much the door is curved. But I did notice, even though it's 1080p resolution, just like the other two cameras, the details seem to be quite a bit better. The Outdoor 4 also has better contrast than the Outdoor 3 and the Mini in both day and night footage. Not sure if it's just extra sharpening or just a better quality lens, but yeah, it's easy to notice, especially once you put these clips on the computer. Now keep in mind, neither the Outdoor 3 or 4 or the Mini is 100% accurate. Sometimes they won't give me alerts for some reason, but luckily most of the time they're pretty reliable. The Outdoor 4 so far has missed someone leaving the driveway, and I noticed when it records, you'll only see a portion of a car going by, and they got rid of where it says early notification in the settings. So not really the best, but at least it catches motion most of the time. I also need to adjust it so that it can record a little bit longer, because it seems to be quite a bit less than on my Outdoor 3. But as far as the quality goes, it's probably going to be acceptable to most people considering the price. Now, if you already have the Outdoor 3 cameras, I'm not sure if I would upgrade to the 4 unless you can get them on sale. Then it may be worth it. But if you don't have any Blink cameras, yeah, I would definitely go for the Outdoor 4, mainly because it seems to be better camera quality, even if some of the features they advertise, like person detection, only works with their monthly subscription. As far as the Mini goes, I would probably wait to see if there's an updated version, but it does a decent job overall. Quality is not going to be as good as the Outdoor 4, but nice thing is you can add the pan and tilt base to any of the Minis, which makes controlling the angle or just to see a larger area quite a bit easier. So if you do have a Mini camera, you should definitely check those out.